Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are quite okay along with your nears and dears. Yesterday, we were discussing about factors affecting rate of reaction. Now today my topic is rate expression and order of a reaction. You are aware about the fact that there is a great role of concentration on rate of reaction. When we start a chemical reaction, at first reaction is very fast and then its speed goes on decreasing. With the result, the concentration of reactants decreases and the concentration of the products increases. As per our today's topic is concerned, rate expression and order of a reaction. Rate of reaction is related to the concentration of the relating species. This relationship was given by Norwegian chemists, namely Guldberg and Weige in 1864 in the form of law called law of mass action. Let us discuss on law of mass action. What is mean by law of mass action? I hope that you will understand it clearly. According to this law, at given temperature, the rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration of the reacting species, raised to the power of their numerical coefficients, called the stoichiometric coefficients. Let us consider a general coefficient reaction. Let us consider a general reaction, not coefficient reaction, called stoichiometric coefficients. Let us consider a general reaction. Let's consider the reaction A plus BV gives CC. According to law of mass action. According to law of mass action, rate is directly proportional to A raised to power A, B raised to power B, or rate is equal to K times A raised to power A, B raised to power small b, B raised to power B. Here K is known as velocity constant. Known as velocity constant, rate constant, or specific reaction rate or specific reaction specific reaction rate. In case the concentration of the reactant is 1 mole per liter, then फिर क्या बन जाएगा ऊपर reaction rate is equal to K into 1 into 1, that is equal to K. Thus, a rate constant K for given reaction at a given temperature is the rate of reaction when the mole concentration is unity. आपने देखा जब मोल कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट के बराबर द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू के और 1 मोल पर लीटर. द रेट कांस्टेंट हैज द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. इसके दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं. इट इज डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट रिएक्शंस एंड हेंस कॉल्ड स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन रेट. नंबर 2, it is measure of intrinsic rate of reaction. It is large value indicates fast reaction and small value indicates slow reaction. That means if the value of K is very large, it means it is very fast reaction, and if it is value is very small, then it is slow reaction. This is all about this law of mass action. Okay, Allah Hafiz.